The plan that you have for your life, I promise you, is not better than the plan God had for you. I'm gonna tell you a revelation that I had last night, right? So I just moved into a new apartment. As I'm starting this new chapter in my life, all I can think is that I have all this energy. All this energy I want to pour into something. So I've been building a YouTube channel for a little while, a couple years, and it's been progressing, right? But lately I've been struggling with this idea of, I don't know how I'm gonna make that next big step. I know in my mind that I want to do big things, and the YouTube channel is a part of it. But I was struggling with direction. I was frustrated. I started to have this little one-to-one chat with God, right? At first I said, you know what, let me record a YouTube video. I couldn't find my microphone, and I think that was a part of God saying, yo, bro, we need to chat. I feel like God has blessed me with a lot of stuff and a lot of talent. And I was like, God, you've given me so much ability for me to be thankful for, and I give you the glory for it. But I don't know where to put this. I don't know how to get from A to Z. I know where I want to go. I know that I really want to go in that direction. I don't want to stay here. I don't want to stay stagnant, but I don't know what to do. And this revelation hit me that, like, this is how I kind of decipher whether I'm speaking with my conscience or if the Holy Spirit is talking to me at this point. And this could be of some use to you. I hear this like little subtle voice in my head, which is, you're not supposed to know everything. We expect an airplane runway when it comes to our life, that every step is mapped out and we can see our way to the end. But how God likes to work is like we're walking around with a lantern and it's pointed towards our feet. And you can only see that next step. And what's the point of that? The point is so you stop relying on your own understanding, your own energy, your own knowledge, and step in faith. I have all this ambition and God is pointing me in a direction, and I believe God has great things in store for me. But at the same time, I'm trying to figure out everything on my own. And it could be the same thing for you. You have all this aspiration. I'll use this example. When I was starting a YouTube channel, and you'll hear me talk about this all the time, I started it in COVID. Just something I like to do. This same YouTube channel ended up getting me a job. And I could have never predicted that. I could have never planned for that. You know, I went to school, I studied computer science. I got in the computer science industry, junior developer. I got fired after 3 months. And I was like, dang, that's crazy. I'm like, damn, bro. You know, that's kind of rough. That's kind of rough, I can't lie. I didn't see it back then, but it was a setup to where I wanted to go. When I first prayed for that job, I said, yo, I want any job in computer science. I just want the experience. And God was like, all right, I'm gonna show you that's not what you want. Boom, here you go. Had that job within a week. Started that job, absolutely hated it, got fired. Now I was put in a position where I had to trust God. And I said, okay, this is my prayer now. I asked for a job that I feel genuinely fulfilled in. I was applying to computer science job. And then I finally said to myself, you know, maybe I should apply to something in content, you know, something that I enjoy. I came across this little job application and I applied for it. I got the interview the second day. And there's so many things that go into the story, but I'll try and sum it up really quickly. I ended up getting that job, but you know what the crazy part is? That job went live, that job posting went live the exact day that I decided, okay, let me apply to jobs in that field. I couldn't see where God was leading me with all of this content stuff. I just want to start this YouTube channel, you know, and I'm gonna have faith, and I did it. God used it to get me a job. I could have never predicted that on my own. So when it comes to your own situation, you may be trying to lay out all the steps. You gotta understand that when it comes to your journey, you don't know everything, and that's fine. That is just an opportunity for you to come to God and be like, hey, this is what I want. I know this is the direction that I plan to go in accordance to your will. But I'm gonna trust you with the steps. It's crazy. I'm gonna go off on a little tangent, but you need to hear this. This is the Holy Spirit talking right now. At least I hope it is. The plan that you have for your life, I promise you, is not better than the plan God has for you. I promise you. And if you're someone who maybe you're on the whole fence with the God thing, you know, I like Yahweh, Christ. Trust me, just trust me, brother. The plan that God the Father has for your life is better than any plan you could come up with. Trust me, because you're working off of limited knowledge. I thought the best part of my life, the best thing I could achieve in my life was going into engineering. And then God let me out of that, and I went to computer science. And because of that computer science, I ended up in the one thing that I genuinely enjoyed, and I think God has better plans for me. Stop putting this pressure on yourself to have everything figured out. And know that you got this itching, bro. You got this itch that you want to be successful. You want to drive the cars. You want the businesses. You want to leave generational wealth for your family. I get that. But sometimes you got to understand that you won't know every step. I hope this video was a blessing for you guys. If you guys are interested, I offer hair coaching where I help you build a personalized routine. The link for that will be in the description. There's also a link to a free hair routine, but that's more of a template. The coaching session is a little bit more personal that I help you with. I really hope this video blessed you guys. And if you like this video, you're definitely going to like this one. So I advise you check it out. That's all for me. I'll see you guys in the next video.